looking at it. Go ahead.
Hi, this is Vicki Julian reporting from Benjamin Drive in North Providence with a live weather update. All right, bring on the blizzard. We're going to get what we asked for.
Oh boy.
The snow is drifting, so the lines on this measurement are not accurate. Let's see what we currently have. 4 inches. And it's climbing. Very windy. Wind is blowing down from the north to the south. Let's see what it's like on the Chimnea. As you can see, it's blustering out. No fire tonight. What is it here? Let's see. It is 1.5 inches. So the totals are varying from locale to locale.
Spot right there. What's it there? Nope, over here.
What? Oh. My producer is asking me to check here. We have a drift of up to 7 inches. On the table! Up just shy of 2 inches. As we reported earlier on the Buco weather report, it was 12 to 20. Less on the Cape. We make it 2 feet. Stay tuned. For BOB News, it's Vicki Julian.